Hey guys, I signed up to do the Yarn of the Month Club from Darn Good Yarn, and it just came in the mail today. So this is the package. Interestingly enough, when I bought it and when they advertised on Facebook, it was in a cute little box. But you know, I can understand mailing it. It's cheaper this way. Cute. It's $10. The only other thing that I want to say is that I ordered it on February 5th, and I got it yesterday, March 16th. So I don't really know how this is the Yarn of the Month Club, but we shall see. So let's see, it has some perforations here. All right, so let's see what we got. We have a box of, these are nice actually.
Darn Good Yarn.
Darn Good Yarn. All right. Ooh, some pretty, well, I like that, multicolor yarn. It's a weird material, if you can close up on that. It's soft and it's, I don't know, maybe it'll have instructions. Okay, then welcome to the Darn Good Yarn family. You can skip a month, that's nice. Your subscription will be shipped by the 20th of every month. I did not in February, so I would be interested to know. You can also earn karma points that you can use these points to purchase other items. So we'll have to check that out on the website.
Oh, they tell you to make something.
Yeah, what they do, yeah, exactly. It says, "Hi there, my name is Nicole. And if you're new to Darn Good Yarn as the owner, I would love to say welcome. We are a small team fueled with the passions to help others and the environment for what we love, yarn." Okay, it says, "Joining our monthly yarn club is an awesome way to be part of our mission to create positive change while getting your crafting and creativity juices flowing." All I want is to just get my crafting. Okay, purple is Nicole's favorite color, it says. And yeah, so let's see. Okay, here's the yarn. Here's the yarn specs. It says it's 100% reclaimed silk. Interesting.
50 grams.
So it says, I don't know how to knit. I know how to crochet. So it says that you could do both. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is really nice. Wow. All right. So, oh, check this out. This is the crochet hook. It's a nice wood.
And then it like spray paints full.
I know, I like that. So I'm having a hard time getting it out. It says Darn Good Yarn, stamped. Not stamped, it's like carved. And then we have the knitting needles, which is awesome. I'm gonna learn how to knit for this, I think. Okay, oh, and it also says that you're supposed to be blocking yarn and use white vinegar. I don't know, I'll have to learn that. So, all right, so these are 5mm. Okay, so then I'm gonna be making a Ripples neck warmer. You can see the picture. That's a crochet, or I can make a snow big deal cowl. I'm not sure if it's the same thing and just different names because it's knitting versus crochet, but basically I only have to learn, I use this whole skein, which isn't much. It's worsted weight. Then I use my knitting, or either knitting needles or my crochet hook, 5mm. The only thing we don't have is scissors, and tapestry needle, fine. So it's going to be slip stitch, chain double crochet, and 3 double crochets together. That's easy, and it gives you all the instructions, and it gives a little map. And this one for the knitting, same thing, 1 ball, the 5mm knitting needles, purl, knit, and bind off. So I feel like anybody can do this. So Cooper, what do you think? Should I do knitting or crochet? Maybe I should start with crochet on the first one because I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
All right, so you know what? I'll let you guys know how this is. The only other thing they gave me is a packing slip. This is my first order, which it is. And auto renew, ships every 1 month. So you know what, I'm gonna give it that the first month was a little off. Maybe I didn't order it in time. So, okay, so I look forward to another shipment coming, and I will let you guys know what it is. Thanks.